Hello guys, my today's topic is exponents. X raised to power q. Q is known as exponent power, and there is another name but it is considered at higher level. X is known as base. Without base we cannot write down power because we cannot hang power in the air. So to write down power we need a base. Base can be in the form of number or alphabet. Power can be in the form of a number or alphabet. So this is the form in power, or this is an exponential form. It is called an exponential form because exponent is written on the base. Now I'm going to explain a few rules of related to powers side by side so that you feel easy while doing your algebraic calculations. Rule 1 is, if you have this type of exponential terms, then what will you do? This dot is representing multiplication. In mathematics, dot means not, when it is written between two variables, it does not mean decimal, it means multiplication sign. It means x raised to power q multiplied by x raised to power p is equal to x raised to power q plus p. Very clear? When two exponential forms with same base are being multiplied, powers are added up on the single base. Means, what does it mean? It means we are not supposed to write down base 2 times. We can write down base once and we can add up powers on it. For example, x raised to power 5 into, dot means into or multiplication, multiplied by x raised to power 7 means x will be written once, base will be written once, and then we will write down powers on it like this. Powers are going to be added when two same variables, when two same bases or two same variables are being multiplied, their powers will be added up like this, and we get x12. Rule 2, x raised to power q divided by x raised to power p is equal to x raised to power q minus p. For division, lower power is subtracted from the upper power, or if we want to take it down, then upper power will be subtracted from the lower power. Whenever an exponential form term, whenever a term with exponent is shifted up or down, its power become negative. So it is showing the same. Minus p is negative. Actually, it should be written like q plus into minus p, but that is very confusing. So I have just subtracted it straight away so that you can understand whenever a power is written in the division form, lower power will be cut down other upper power if these are same, or if these are not same, lower power will be subtracted from the upper. I hope it's clear. With the example it will be more clear. If you have x raised to power 5 divided by x raised to power 3, it means 3 powers will be cancelled out with 3 powers and you will left with 2. It's very oral verbal question, but when we will apply a rule, we will write it down like this: x raised to power upper minus lower power. We will subtract powers. When terms with exponents or terms with powers are being divided or are dividing each other, then the powers will be subtracted. Powers or exponents will be subtracted. So we will get x square. Numeral example for rule 1. This is your rule 1. If we take a number example means in which numbers are involved, then we can take as an example this term 3 square into 3 raised to power 4 is equal to, 3 will be written once because it is base and powers will be added up on it, and it will be equal to 3 raised to power 6. Or it should be sometimes in paper it is written, you people get this statement that give your answer in exponent form. If it is written give your answer in exponent form, then you will give this answer 3 raised to power 6. If it is written give your answer in number, then you will multiply 3 raised to power 6 three times. 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27, 27 threes are 81, 81 threes are 246 I think, and 246 multiplied by 3 is 729. It is written in the rough column. A few numbers are not, I think these are here, are not present here. You can multiply these numbers this way as I have told you, and you will get 729. If answer is required in the number form, you will do this. If answer is required in the exponent form or exponential form, you will give this answer. Numeral example for rule 2. Similarly, 5 raised to power 4 divided by 5 raised to power 3. Power, lower power will be subtracted from upper power because we are bringing 5 raised to power 3 upward, and it looks better. Always try to bring lower power upward, because if you will take the upper power down, answer will be in negative, and that will be in the fractional form, which is not a suitable answer. So always try to shift lower exponential term up. So you will get 4 minus 3 raised to power 4 minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to power 1. 1 is not usually written because it is understood when it is not written over here that 5 has the power 1. So it would be your answer. I hope um, everything is clear. Okay guys, that's all about this video. I tried my level best to make everything clear to you. So if my videos are beneficial for you, do like and subscribe so that you may get notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you very much, and try to watch these videos daily, all the videos daily, so that you can refresh all the rules of algebra daily, and you can make your algebra very strong this way.